Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy origami bird. So first, you need the square paper, and I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to fold it over this one, like this. Then unfold the paper, and now I'm going to take this corner and fold it over this one here. Now I'm going to take this corner here and this one, I'm going to fold them both over this corner. And then we're going to fold over the center line but to the back of the paper, like this. Now you have this part of the paper where there is 3 layers. You're gonna leave it on the right. Then we're gonna take this corner on the left and we're gonna fold it over this corner here. Then unfold the paper. Now take the first layer and I'm gonna fold this over this line here, like this. Then unfold the paper, and now we're gonna take the right side of the paper, just one layer again, and I'm gonna fold it over this line here. Like this. Then flatten the paper. And same thing to this side. Now, for the left side of the paper, we're gonna take this line here and we're gonna fold it over this one here, like this. Which is gonna be the tail. Now unfold it and do the same thing to this side. Then unfold the paper. Now open the model like this and then fold this up and flatten the paper. Then for this side of the paper, which is going to be the head, I'm going to fold over this line here, like this. Then do the same thing to this side. Unfold the paper like this. Then push the head down like this and flatten the paper. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.